So welcome to my maths class. Today we will discuss about the divisibility rules of 17, 18, 19 and 20. First take 17. For 17 we will find the ask later. Just like 7, 13 numbers. We see the multiples of 17. 17 1 17, 17 2 34, 17 3 51. We will see the multiples until we get a multiple which is nearer to the multiple of 10. That means 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, etc. Here 51 is nearer to 50. Therefore 51 can be written as 50 plus 1. Here 5 is the oscillator for 17. So 5 is the oscillator for 17. Therefore, let us take a number 587 and see whether it is divisible by 17 or not. For this, separate the units digit number 7 and multiply it with the oscillator 5. 7 5s 34. And subtract this number from the remaining number. You have to subtract here because here this is 50 plus 1. Plus is there. Therefore, we have to subtract minus 35. 8 minus 5, 3. 5 minus 3, 2. 23. 23 is a not multiple of 17. 23 is not multiple of 17. So 23 is not divisible by 17. Therefore, 587 is not divisible by 17. We take another number, 782. Let us check this number whether it is divisible by 17 or not. Take the units place digit 2 and multiply by the oscillator 5. 5 to 10. And subtract it from the remaining number, minus 10. This is equal to 68. Suppose we can't say 68 is divisible by 17 or not. So we will continue this process again. Separate the units digit, multiply it by 5 and we get 40. Subtract it from 6. Minus 40 is equal to minus 34. 34 is divisible by 17. Therefore, the whole number 782 is divisible by 17. 18 is the product of 2 and 9. Product of 2 and 9. 18 is a product of 2 and 9. Therefore, if a number is divisible by 2 and 9, then that number is divisible by 18. Therefore, let us take a number 5481. 5481. First, let us see. It is not divisible by 2 because in the units place it is 1. 1 is an odd number. Only if there is an even number in the units place, it is divisible by 2. Therefore, this whole number is not divisible by 18. Take another number, 6842. In the units place, there is 2 even number. Therefore, this is divisible by 2. So, this number is divisible by 2. Next, we will see whether this is divisible by 9 or not. If a number is to be divisible by 9, the sum of the digits must be divisible by 9. So let us see the sum. Find the sum of the digits. Sum of the digits 6 plus 8 plus 4 plus 2. The total 6 plus 8, 14. 14 plus 4, 14 plus 4, 18. 18 plus 2, 20. 20 is not divisible by 9. Therefore, this number is not divisible by 9. Take another number, 1512. 1512. As this is an even number, it is divisible by 2. Then taking the sum of the digits 1 plus 5 plus 1 plus 2, 6 plus 7 plus 2, 9. 9 is divisible by 9. Therefore, this number is divisible by 18. This number is divisible by 18. Thus, if a number is divisible by 2 and 9, then that number is divisible by 18. To be divisible by 2, it must be an even number. In the units place, it must contain 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. To be divisible by 9, the sum of the digits must be divisible by 9. Next number 19. For 19, we will find the oscillator. 19 once 19. It is nearer to the multiple of 10, 20. So 19 is equal to 20 minus 1. Therefore, 2 is the oscillator for 19. So let us take a number 5852. Check whether it is a multiple of 19 or not. So separate the units digit and multiply it with its oscillator 2. We get 4. Then add this number to the remaining number 4. You have to add because we got minus here. So add this number. We got 9, 8, 5. Again we can't say whether this number is divisible by 19 or not. So apply the same process again. Separate the units digit, multiply it by 2, 9 2s 18 and add it to the remaining number. We get 16, 7, 76. 76 is a multiple of 19. 19 fours. 19 fours are 76. Therefore, this number is divisible by 19. Or if you can't say whether 76 is divisible by 19 or not, you can still proceed or continue the same process, multiplying it by 2 and adding. So we get 19. 19 is divisible by 19. Therefore, the whole number is divisible by 19. Divisibility rule for 20. If a number is divisible by 10, that means a number must contain 0 in its units place. It must be divisible by 10. And the digit in the tens place must be an even number or 0. The digit in the tens place must be 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. That means the tens digit must be divisible by 2. So let us take a number 5842. In the units place it is 2. Therefore it is not divisible by 20. Only 0 must be there in the units place. Therefore it is not divisible. Suppose take another number 6850. It is divisible by 10 because it contains 0 in the units place. But in the tens place there is an odd number. So it is not divisible by 20. The digit in the tens place must be divisible by 2. So 5 is not divisible by 2. Therefore this number is also not divisible by 20. Let us take another number 7340. 7340. It is divisible by 10. The units place it contains 0. And the second condition is in the tens place it must contain an even number or 0. 0 or an even number. So here it is a 4 even number, it is divisible by 2. Therefore this number is divisible by 20. So there are two conditions to be satisfied. One is 0 must be there in the units place and the other is an even number or 0 must be there in the tens place. So these are the divisibility tests for 17, 18, 19 and 20. So take some numbers and check whether they are divisible by these numbers and cross check with the calculator. Then you will remember the rules perfectly.